ሰላም የቻናላችን ተከታታዮች አሌክስ ነኝ። ለተወሰኑ ዓመታት በኢንስትራክተርነት እሰራ ቆይቻለሁ። ስልጠናው የሚያካትተው መሰረታዊ የኮምፒውተር ስልጠናን ከቀላል እስከ ከባድ ድረስ ያካትታል። ወደፊት አድቫንስ ሶፍትዌሮች እንጀምራለን። ይህ ግን የሚያካትተው መሰረታዊ የኮምፒውተር አጠቃቀም፣ ማይክሮሶፍት ወርድ፣ ፓወርፖይንት፣ ኤክሴል፣ ፐብሊሸር፣ አማርኛ አጻጻፍ ያካትታል። የመጀመሪያው ኢንትሮዳክሽን አለ፣ ቲዮሪ ፓርት። እሱ ቲዮሪ ፓርት በኤአይ ጀነሬት የተደረገ ነው የሚሆነው። ከነሱ ውጭ ያሉት ያው እንዲሁ እየተማማርን እንሄዳለን ማለት። ስለዚህ ይህንን መሰረታዊ ኮምፒውተር ስልጠና ከጨረሳችሁ መሰረታዊ ኮምፒውተር ስኪል አላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስልጠናውን ለመጨረስ ሞክሩ። ስልጠናው 2 ወር እስከ 3 ወር የሚጨርስ ስልጠና ነው። ስለዚህ እናንተ ቤታችሁ ሆናችሁ ስራ ቦታም ሆናችሁ ፕራክቲስ እያደረጋችሁ ቪዲዮውን እያያችሁ እውቀቱን ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ምናልባት ፕራክቲስ ስታደርጉ የሚያስቸግራችሁ ነገር ካለ ቴሌግራም ቻናላችን ላይ ወይም ደግሞ ባዮ ላይ ባለው ስልክ በመጠቀም መደወል ትችላላችሁ። እንዲሁም በኦንላይን ሆነ በአካል መማር የምትፈልጉ ካላችሁ ኮንታክት ልታደርጉን ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ቀጥታ ወደ ትምህርቱ እንሂድ። አመሰግናለሁ።
Hi everyone, I'm Alex, and welcome to my channel. Here, I'll be sharing my passion for introduction to basic computer. You can expect new videos every week filled with theoretical and practical exercises from simple to complex. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'd love to hear from you, so feel free to comment below with what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining me, and let's dive in. At the end of this lesson we can describe computer, components of computer, input and output devices, types of software, storage device and processing device. What is a computer for you? Well, let us describe it. Computer is any electronic device which can accept data, process it, retrieve the result and store the result as needed. Or, a computer is an electronic device that processes data, performing calculations and operations based on programmed instructions. It can store, retrieve, and manipulate data, enabling users to perform a wide range of tasks. Let's see example of computer, laptop, desktop, phone, calculator. Those are computers which can accept data, process it, retrieve the result and store the result. Is clear? Well, do you know components of computer? Please tell me. Okay, thank you. We can categorize the component of computer into 2 based on their character. Those are hardware components and software components. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, which are parts of computer can touch with our hand. For example, central processing unit CPU. This is the brain of the computer that performs calculations and executes instructions. Motherboard, which is the main circuit board that connects all hardware components, allowing them to communicate. Monitor. A monitor is an output device that displays visual information from a computer. It can be LCD, LED, or OLED. Speaker are output devices that convert digital audio signals into sound. Keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that allows users to enter text and commands into a computer. Mouse. A mouse is an input device used to interact with the computer's graphical user interface. Printer. A printer is an output device that produces physical copies of digital documents and images. Scanner. A scanner is both input and output device that converts physical documents and images into digital format. Web camera. Web camera is a video input device that captures real-time video and images. Software. Software refers to the programs and applications that run on a computer, and they are parts of computer which can't touch with our hand. Key types of software include operating system OS, the system software that manages hardware and software resources. Example, Windows, MacOS, Linux, and Android. Application software programs designed for end users to perform specific tasks. Example, Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, web browsers. Storage devices. Do you know about storage device? Storage devices are used to store data inside the computer or outside the computer. Examples inside storage. RAM. Random access memory, temporary storage that holds data and instructions currently in use. Data is lost when the power is off. Hard disk drive. HDD, a traditional storage device using spinning disks to read or write data. It offers large capacity but is slower. Solid state drive. SSD, a faster storage device using flash memory, providing quicker access times than HDDs. ROM, which is read-only memory, that mean the information stored on it is only readable but not delete and update. Examples outside storage. Memory card, flash, external hard disk, CD, DVD, tape. Remember, hard disk and ROM are permanent storage. Their difference is the file stored in hard disk can be modified and deleted, but the file on ROM are not. And the file on RAM are deleted when power off or we close the program. Input or output devices. Input or output I/O devices are peripherals that enable communication between the user and the computer. Input devices are used to enter data to the computer. Keyboard allows users to input text and commands. Mouse enables navigation and selection within the graphical user interface. Scanner converts physical documents into digital format. Output devices are used to retrieve data from the computer. Monitor displays visual output from the computer. Printer produces physical copies of documents. Speakers output audio signals. Processing devices. Central Processing Unit CPU. The CPU is the primary processing unit of a computer, responsible for executing instructions and processing data. It consists of multiple cores that allow it to perform multiple tasks simultaneously. The performance of Central Processing Unit depends on the number of cores sated on it. Let us see about core. A core is an individual processing unit within the CPU. More cores typically mean better performance, especially for multitasking and running resource-intensive applications. The CPU may has Core i3, Core i5, and Core i7. These are designations for Intel CPU families, with each level representing different performance capabilities. Core i3 entry-level processors suitable for basic tasks like web browsing and document editing. Core i5 mid-range processors that offer better performance for multitasking and gaming. Core i7 high-performance processors designed for demanding tasks such as video editing, gaming, and heavy multitasking. Conclusion: understanding the components of a computer, including hardware and software, I/O devices, storage options, and processing capabilities, is essential for effectively using and maintaining technology. This knowledge provides a solid foundation for anyone interested in computing. Hey everyone, as I wrap up this chapter, I just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you. Your support, comments, and shares have meant the world to me, and I'm so grateful for this amazing community we've built together. Goodbye.